All right, let's talk about fill pattern. This is a pretty cool pattern a lot of people don't know about. This allows you to create a sketch that's a boundary and then fill in that boundary with your instances. So let me do that. I've got a model ready for us for the fill. Here we go. And you're going to notice I went ahead and put one hole right here. It happens to be in the middle. You don't have to put it in the middle. That's just where I put it. And then I've got a sketch out here for my boundary. So I'm going to go in here, tell it I want a fill-driven pattern. I'm going to give it my sketch as the boundary up here. And then I'm going to tell it what I want to pattern. And I will say cut extrude 1. But you're going to notice you can create the seed cut at the same time in this one. So if you did not already have your cut, you could tell it you want to create a seed, and it gives you an option of what kind of seed you want to create. Circle, rectangle, diamond, a polygon, and you can give it those information. Now I already had it created, so I'm going to go ahead and just choose the cut extrude. The other thing nice about this is you can choose what kind of layout. Do you want it to have a linear kind of layout, circular? I think you can do polygon as well. Polygon would make sense in this case because we do have a polygon out here. The other thing you can do is tell it how many sides to your polygon do you want. In this case, what we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have, what, 8? There we go, something like that. Nope, we have 6. And then you can specify your thickness to your wall, how much you want your spacing in between the two instances vertically. But here's a pretty cool one. You can orientate which line it follows. So in this case, it's following this line right here. But if you wanted it to follow this line instead, you can see how it rotates. All right. So 105. Let's try 7. Yeah, that looks good too. Everything else is the same. All right, you still have your geometry patterns, you still have your bodies, instances to skip. All of that is the same. The thing I like most about this is that it will let you create your seed cut at the same time you're creating the pattern. I think that's pretty slick.